time to talk about the next part of Google Docs. I think really the one thing that really no one really does and in their courses is not teaching. They teach Google Docs, but they don't teach Google Drive. Google Drive is completely based on Google Docs, okay? And they're both connected, and no one talks about that in their course. And they just go directly straight through to the Google Docs and they start talking. What I really like to teach you is not teach you only Google Docs and also teach you Google Drive that is connected with Google Docs, okay? And in this way, we kill two birds with one stone, and you learn it well, and you learn it and you know how to manage your Google Docs drive in Google Drive, okay? So did you get the idea? So you manage your Google Docs drive file and folder Google Docs in Google Drive. So I really see them in both ways. They are connected. So in that way, I can help you on. So let's get started right now with Google Drive.